We are just days away from another Gym Camp Junior 2023, where our motto is lead, provide, protect. These are the roles that God has given us as men in this world. If you have friends, neighbors, sons, or church members that you would like to join us for this year, we encourage them to come. If you'd like more information about this camp, which begins on 4 October, Wednesday, we encourage you to go to tiani.org and just click on the Gym Camp tab. There you will find all the information about indemnity forms, costs, and packing lists. As soon as you sign up, we'll put you immediately on the WhatsApp group for Gym Camp, where you can find out more information. A reminder that this is not a family camp, nor is it a father-son camp necessarily, but we do encourage fathers who will be driving up sons or friends to the camp to remain and help with the different activities. Gym Camp Junior, lead, provide, protect. GYM stands for Godly Young Men. We encourage you to bring your friends to enjoy this very special time coming up on October 4th. Hope to see you there.